How to eject a flash drive or external drive from a Mac. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to eject a flash drive or an external drive from a Mac. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your MacBook, and after that, in order to eject the drive that you have connected with your MacBook, all you have to do is just simply click on the finder from the just simply open your file manager, the finder, from the bottom menu, and over here you will be able to see the drive that you have connected with your MacBook. In the location section, you will be able to see this icon right beside the drive that you have connected. So if you want to simply eject the drive from the MacBook, you can simply press on it and your drive will be ejected quite successfully. And if you want to eject from the external version, so all you have to do is just simply click on the file section from the top menu on the MacBook, and over here you will be able to see the option called eject. Just simply tap on it, and as you can see that your drive has been ejected successfully. And now you can simply go ahead and remove your drive from the MacBook safely, and it will be done. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to eject your USB drive from your MacBook. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.